how to get Monzo phone insurance. To get Monzo phone insurance, you need to upgrade your account to either the premium or max plan, both of which include phone insurance automatically. Coverage starts immediately upon upgrade if your device is eligible. While it's not required, you can register your phone's details such as the model, IMEI number, and purchase date through the insurer's portal to make claiming easier. In the Monzo app, you can view your plan's policy details including coverage limits, which is up to £2,000 per phone and £300 for accessories, a £75 excess fee, and the number of claims allowed per year, 2 for premium, 4 for max family. If you need to make a claim, you can do so through the link in the app or by calling 0330 156 6696, where you'll provide your policy and device information. For damage or faults, you can either arrange collection and repair with a £50 service fee plus the £75 excess, or drop off the phone at a DPD location and pay only the £75 excess. For lost or stolen phones, you can choose same-day replacement if approved by 1 PM for 50 plus £75 excess, or standard delivery in 1 to 3 days with just the £75 excess. So this is how to get phone insurance from Monzo. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.